is that?
Papa, what's this?
What do you think?
It's a guy ride.
Granny and Grandpa got that for you.
For your birthday.
Get on it.
Polly, can you help me?
Yes. Okay, you get on. It's your bicycle.
Oh.
Do you like your bicycle?
Don't run over Mommy.
And then
Hi.
stop. Watch, push back and stop. That's how you stop. And then steer it this way. Don't step on the grass.
I'll steer this way.
Yes.
You go that way.
And then push. That's a pedal. Wow. Look at your bicycle.
Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Stop. I go.
Where's his helmet, Papa?
I didn't have time to get it.
You know what? You pedal just like your tricycle. It's just like your tricycle, but higher.
Let's go back to Mommy.
You say hi to Miss Connie? Tell her what you got.
Go show her your bicycle. Let's go. Show her. Pedal, pedal, pedal your legs. Pedal. Show me, show me. Say it's your bicycle from your birthday.
Look at you go.
Tell her it's from your birthday.
This is my bicycle. It's ours bicycle.
Did you get that for your birthday?
Yes.
Granny and Grandpa.
Just now.
That.
Just now he got it.
Just now?
Yes.
And Grandpa got me that.
Your grandpa got it for you?
The bike?
Yes.
Granny and Grandpa.
Good
Well,
job.
That is a really nice bike. The Cars bike. That is neat.
And look at you go. That's awesome. I'm so proud of you.